Bindas Aim, a resident of Maulong Nongtlu village of Ribhoi district, rejected the invitation of the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills district to discuss on her demand at his office chamber. Speaking to the media, she informed that her agitation will continue until the government promises to fulfill her demand. She also said that the Deputy Commissioner today through the police department had invited her to meet at 4 o'clock, but she clearly mentioned that she declined the invitation. Instead, she demanded that if they wanted to discuss or talk, they should come to the place that she agitated.
Nagaliang dengan akan kaji kata jumpa dia keren begini. Nagaliang dengan amla banle je keren haga office jengki kila dah kidon kamban je keren dengan kila berwan ni haja ka bengasong ane. Kan nagaliang jong ka health department bangkim patwan angnya dremen ne I madam Iwan Syah yang ada itu polis kimot banwan Syah yang anangnya kimot legera ina Syah hospital banle medical yang kena kalian juga ngak kentak ngam tre ban le hospital